One of the biggest mistakes a person can make when trying to disinfect their home or business from COVID-19 is to assume that a product will kill the virus just because it contains bleach or alcohol. These things are not guarantees you're getting the job done. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 specific cleaning products that you can rest assured will kill COVID-19. Furthermore, I'm going to show you how I know this information and how you can research it for yourself. The first product you can rest assured will kill COVID-19 are the Clorox disinfectant wipes. You say, Tommy, this is so exciting, but how do I know you're telling the truth? How do I know you're not telling a fib? Well, the EPA regulates cleaning and disinfecting products, and they maintain this list that's called List N as in Nancy. And the products that are on that list will kill the virus. So it's simple. If the product is on that list, it's a go. And if the product is not on that list, it's a big fat no. Allow me to demonstrate. So you're in a store pushing your buggy to the promised land, the cleaning aisle, and you see a product on the shelf and you're like, I wonder if this product will kill the virus. So you grab the product, you flip it around, you look on the back on the label, and you look for the EPA Registration Number. It'll say EPA Reg No. That's the number you're looking for. These wipes, the number is 5813-79. So you enter that number into the List N database on the EPA website. Link will be in the description box. So click that link, enter the number, and then click submit. Don't worry about the other sections. You just need to enter that number, click submit. And then down below, if you find the product on the list, you got yourself a COVID killer. So it says Clorox disinfectant wipes, 0.5 to 30 seconds is your dwell time. That's a fantastic dwell time. This product works awesome. From that point, you just want to follow the instructions for how to properly disinfect. So 30 seconds. You'd want to make sure that hard surface that you're trying to disinfect stays wet for at least that 30 seconds. That's your dwell time. Second product I want to introduce is the Clorox Cleaner Plus Bleach. Enter the number into the List N database, 5813-21, and there it is. Boom. We got ourselves a COVID killer. Next product I want to introduce you to is the Clorox Cleaning Bleach Gel Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Enter the EPA registration number, 5813-89. Scroll down, bingo. There it is. Now take notice, unlike the other ones, which were 30 seconds on the dwell time, this one has a dwell time of 10 minutes. So if you rinse it away in 8 minutes, you're wasting your time. Now here's an example of a product that is not on the list. So we got the Clorox Tilex Mold and Mildew Remover, contains bleach, kills 99.9% of mold and mildew. It contains bleach, so you might think, well, maybe it will kill the virus. But if you were to type in the EPA number to the database, which is 5813-24, it won't pop up, which means it's a no-go. Here's another one. Let's say we want to look this one up. Lysol Kitchen Pro Antibacterial Cleaner. Flip it around. Let's type the EPA number in, which I have already done. As you can see, 77-91 is the number. Lysol Kitchen Pro Antibacterial Cleaner. This right here is a COVID killer. And finally, the last product I'll introduce you to is the Scrub & Bubbles Disinfectant Bathroom Grime Fighter. Enter that EPA Reg No into the List N database. We got 4822-613. And there she is. Take notice, this one is a 5-minute dwell time. So that's basically it. If you're looking for a COVID killer, then just follow the tutorial I've outlined in this video. Don't take someone else's word for it. Look it up for yourself. So that's it, my friends. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you found the content valuable. If you did, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. Subscribe, share, all that kind of good stuff. And I will see y'all in the next video.
Perceive it or not, but you better stop believing there's power in this product to decrease and devour. A 90-minute job just turn into an hour.